thunderstorm over Ragland, or for The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Calhoun County, east central St. Clair County, until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Ohatchee or 13 miles south of Rainbow City, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ragland, Ohatchee, Neely Henry Lake, Alexandria, Southside, Sulphur Springs, Neely Henry Dam, and Wellington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: St. Clair, Alabama,